Hey everyone, and welcome back to Greater Savings and Invest with Mr. J. Howard. Listen, today I want to tackle the topic is going to be how to build wealth even in a recession. Times can be tough during an economic downturn, which I would say we're experiencing kind of that midpoint right now, but that doesn't mean that you can't grow your wealth. So, in fact, some of the best financial opportunities actually come during recessions or pre-recession, or maybe, like I said, that economic downturn. So if you know where to look, you can actually win in this sector. A few tips on some side hustles, some online certifications to boost your earning potential, smart investments like real estate, or even ways to earn online with digital products and services. So let's jump right in. First things first, we're going to start with something that has immediate benefits, right? Make yourself more valuable at work or within your field. In a recession, companies might not be hiring new employees as much. We are seeing some hiring, but they do often rely heavily on their existing workforce. So it's a great time to increase your skill set and position yourself for a promotion. Again, you can do this by getting certifications even online, right? Several websites out there like Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn, Google. There's a lot of learning online that platforms offer affordable courses in everything from project management, data analytics, graphic design. Adding these skills to your resume not only makes you more indispensable at work, but it also increases your chance of landing a higher paying role or even a leadership position. So, for example, getting a certification in Scrum, your CSM, which I have, or in project management, right? It can open doors to roles that come with a significant salary boost. Investing a little bit of time and money now could pay off really big later on, right? Next, we'll talk about starting a side hustle, right? This is the age of the side hustle. Right. So another great way to build wealth during a recession is definitely going and kicking off a side hustle. Gig economy is thriving. There are plenty of ways to earn extra income on the side. Some of them can actually grow into full-time businesses. I've seen people do it with some of these app side gigs as well as handyman services, different things like that. If you prefer something flexible, you could start with like a delivery service. You have a working vehicle that'll qualify. DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart. They allow you to set your own hours and earn a little extra cash in your free time. For those of you that prefer online opportunities, think about offering your skills on platforms like Fiverr, as I call it, Fiverr, or Upwork, where you can find freelance gigs in design, writing, even virtual assistant work. For something more specialized, you could become a social media manager, which is booming right now for small businesses or for entrepreneurs. With more businesses moving online, there's a growing need for people who can manage their social media presence. So if you have a knack for branding and marketing, could be a lucrative side hustle. Digital products is my next piece, another recession-proof way to earn. Selling digital products, if you have knowledge or expertise in a particular area, consider writing an ebook or creating an online course utilizing some of the online platforms. And then platforms like Amazon, Kindle, direct publishing makes it easy for you to self-publish an ebook. There's a lot of other ones too. And then you can utilize things like Teachable and Gumroad or PayHip, which will allow you to sell courses. I believe you can use Shopify for for some of these products as well. So, for example, let's say you're good at personal finance, right? And you write a short ebook on managing your money in tough economic times. You can sell it on Amazon. Or let's say you're skilled in graphic design. You could create templates or digital assets and sell them on marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market. All right. So it's a lot of different options out there. Take advantage, please. Next, we're going to talk about investing in real estate. Now, I have a lot more about investing in real estate on my other channel, but I would love to World Wealth and Success in Motion with Mr. J. Howard. Check it out. But on this platform, I want to make sure I definitely touch on some things that could be beneficial to you in the real estate market or how you can get in. So talking about it, understanding that it is the biggest wealth builder, all right, for real estate. And it does have some downturn proof sort of ways that you can make sure that your money is safe. So during a recession, property values may indeed drop, right? Which makes it a great time for you to buy if you have the financial means, right? Whether you're using traditional lending or you're using interest-only loans, hard money, other people's investment, partnership, joint ventures, whatever the case may be. You can invest in rental properties or vacation rentals and generate passive income. House flipping is always another good option. Now, it does usually require a bit more upfront investment and knowledge, but you can find properties below market value, renovate them, and sell them at a profit. Of course, you can look for deals on like the Zillows, the Redfins, etc. I would say the best deals are going to be in your local CREA groups, whatever your real estate investment group is for your town, county, state, whatever the case may be. Other networking platforms will allow you to have access to off-market properties. That is going to get you more of a bang for your buck, and definitely allow you access to some of these cash properties, right? If you're not ready to buy in your area, you can explore emerging markets where real estate is still affordable across the board and see what type of partnerships you can come up with to earn some income in that space. Keep in mind, vacation rentals, especially through platforms like Airbnb or VRBO, can be another smart move. If you live in or near a tourist destination, you can rent out your property when you're not using it. That's going to generate you additional income, even during slower economic times. All right, so make sure you look into that. Factor in things like property management fees, costs for renovation, furniture rental, if that's what you're doing, cleaning, different things like that. And keep an eye on that and you should do fine. Investing in stocks during a downturn. Even though the stock market tends to drop during a recession, it's actually a prime time to invest if you play it smart, right? Looking for companies with strong fundamentals that are temporarily undervalued. Think about apps like Robinhood or Webull or Stash to start investing in fractional shares if you're just beginning. Make sure you consult with a financial advisor if you're looking to get into something that you're not familiar with. Make sure you have the advice that you need before you hit go. All right, but there's a lot of information online, so just feel comfortable knowing that you have a basic level of understanding of stock investing before you jump in, right? So a great example of dollar cost averaging. So this is when you invest a fixed amount in the market regularly, regardless of its ups and downs. So over time, this strategy will allow you to buy more shares when prices are low, helping you grow your investments during a recession. So historically, markets recover, and the investments you make now could grow significantly in the long run. Keep that in mind. Back to certifications, I want to make sure that I take advantage of another point. When you combine investing with increasing your skills, you're not just securing your current income, you're increasing your potential future earnings. So getting certified in some of those high demand fields also, like IT, healthcare, digital marketing, it can help you land promotions or higher paying jobs as well. Plus, it gives you more stability during the economic times when job competition is high, and you could be more universal in what type of positions that you take on. Make sure, regardless, you prepare for the long term, right? So building wealth during a recession isn't just about immediate gains. It's about setting yourself up for long-term financial success. The best strategy is to have multiple income streams: full-time job, side hustle, investments, maybe even digital products. Having a diverse or diversified income source will protect you from market downturns. And it'll allow you to continue building wealth no matter what the economy does. So always remember, keep an emergency fund in place. Remember, recessions come with unexpected expenses. So having a cushion will help you avoid debt, stay on track with your financial goals, and ensure that you are set as the times continue to move forward. So there you have it. Building wealth in a recession is not only possible, or economic downturn, let me say that, but it's also an opportunity. So whether you're increasing your value at work, starting a side hustle, investing in real estate, or creating digital products, multiple ways to continue growing your wealth. We talk about a lot of them here on this channel, Greater Savings Invest, and make sure you're set up for even in a tough time. So the key is to stay proactive, obviously diversify your income and take advantage of opportunities when they come. Some you have to create too. Don't be afraid of that. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances and building wealth. Until next time, Greater Savings and Invest with Mr. J. Howard. Keep investing in yourself and your future. Subscribe, like, comment for more tips. Can't wait to see you next time.